Today, we're going to see how to solve the problem in BIOS program. Our customer forgot their BIOS password, so we're going to reprogram the BIOS to solve this issue. Let's go and check it out. Flashing new BIOS program. Replacing the reprogrammed BIOS IC. Services with professional technician, quality service, and affordable price. After replace the BIOS IC, entering to the BIOS setup. Problem fixed. For any other laptop services, contact Raminfotech, the Dyer. We have 10 branches in all over Chennai.